Before diving into the specifics, it's important to acknowledge that not all landlords prefer hiring a property management company. Some of you might enjoy the personal involvement, while others look for ways to save money. But managing a rental property yourself means embracing certain responsibilities like tenant screening, maintenance, and staying updated on legal requirements. Successful DIY property management revolves around planning, organization, and the willingness to be proactive. Let's walk through the steps that can help you become a more effective landlord. 1. Tenant screening, your first line of defense. The key to smooth property management starts with finding the right tenant. Tenant screening is one of the most critical aspects of being a DIY landlord. By choosing the right tenant, you can prevent future issues like late rent payments, property damage, or even legal battles. Start by listing your property on trusted rental platforms like MagicBricks, 99 Acres, or Housing.com. Be sure to create a compelling listing with clear descriptions and high-quality photos to attract serious inquiries. Once you receive applications, conduct a thorough background check. Verify their employment details, income, and rental history. You can also check with previous landlords and request police verification, which is crucial in India to ensure a tenant's criminal record is clear. This small step will help protect both your property and the surrounding neighborhood. 2. Establishing clear rental criteria. Before you dive into the screening process, establish clear rental criteria. What type of tenant are you looking for? Set minimum requirements, such as income level, employment history, or credit score. By establishing criteria, you'll streamline the screening process and set expectations from the very beginning. Always ensure your rental criteria comply with local laws to avoid legal complications. 3. Drafting a rock-solid lease agreement. Your lease agreement is the backbone of your relationship with your tenant. It outlines the rights and responsibilities of both parties, providing legal protection if issues arise. Even if you're managing the property yourself, do not skimp on legalities. Your lease should cover important details like rent amount, due dates, security deposits, maintenance expectations, and eviction procedures. In India, it's important to have your lease notarized and registered to make it legally binding. You can use online legal services or consult a lawyer to help draft a lease tailored to your property. Be sure to include any specific rules, like noise restrictions or pet policies, that you want to enforce. 4. Customizing lease terms for self-management. As a self-managing landlord, it's wise to include clauses in your lease that simplify your management process. For example, clearly outline how tenants should report maintenance issues and request that they inform you of minor problems before they escalate into larger, costlier repairs. 5. Implementing a simple and efficient rent collection system. Rent collection is one of the most straightforward yet vital tasks for a landlord. Make it easy for your tenants to pay rent on time by offering multiple payment methods. Use platforms like Paytm, Google Pay, or direct bank transfers to track payments easily and efficiently. Set clear expectations in your lease regarding when rent is due and what penalties apply for late payments. Consistency is crucial. Be sure to enforce late fees when applicable and send reminders ahead of rent due dates to avoid unnecessary delays. 6. Managing finances. Tracking your income and expenses. As a DIY landlord, you're not only managing tenants, but also keeping track of your property's finances. Accurate record keeping is essential. Maintain detailed accounts of your property's income, expenses, such as maintenance, utility bills, and property taxes, and any other associated costs. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or even an Excel sheet to keep everything organized. This will make tax time much easier and help you monitor your property's profitability over time. 7. Preventative maintenance. Address issues before they escalate. A key part of property management is staying ahead of maintenance issues. By being proactive with repairs, you can prevent small problems from snowballing into costly emergencies. Schedule regular inspections and create a maintenance calendar to stay on top of routine tasks like gutter cleaning, plumbing checks, and electrical servicing. In cities like Bangalore, where the monsoon season can cause flooding, it's important to keep drainage systems clean to avoid water damage. By following a maintenance schedule, You'll not only keep your property in good condition, but also retain tenant satisfaction. 8. Handling repairs without professional help. While some repairs may require professional expertise, there are many minor fixes you can handle on your own. Learn basic repair skills, such as fixing leaky faucets, patching cracks, or unclogging drains. DIY repairs save you money and give you more control over the quality of work. Keep a well-stocked toolbox with essential tools and invest time in learning repair skills through online tutorials or courses. However, if a repair is beyond your skill set, don't hesitate to call a professional to avoid causing further damage. 9. Communicating effectively with tenants. Clear communication is the foundation of a successful landlord-tenant relationship. Ensure that your tenants know how to contact you in case of issues and aim to respond to their concerns promptly. Set up a dedicated email address or consider using WhatsApp for quick communication. Effective communication fosters trust and encourages tenants to take better care of the property. 10. Resolving tenant complaints and conflicts. Tenant complaints are inevitable, whether it's noisy neighbors or unexpected maintenance problems. The key is to handle these complaints swiftly and fairly. Listen to your tenants' concerns and take action where needed. Always refer to the lease agreement when resolving conflicts, especially concerning issues like late rent payments or property damage. If disputes arise, staying calm and professional will help you maintain a positive relationship and reduce potential legal headaches. Bonus tip: leverage SANGAU's expertise when needed. Even the most dedicated DIY landlords can sometimes feel overwhelmed. If you ever reach a point where managing your property becomes too stressful, remember that SANGAU is here to help. Whether it's drafting a lease agreement, handling repairs, or staying updated on legal requirements, our team offers expert guidance and support, making your property management journey smoother. Final thoughts: being a successful DIY landlord takes dedication, organization, and a proactive mindset. By screening tenants effectively, keeping your property well-maintained, and maintaining clear communication, you can create a positive experience for both you and your tenants. As you embark on this journey, remember that you're not alone. There are resources and services like SANGAU ready to support you when needed. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more property management insights. Stay tuned for our next video.